guys, we're on the way to Mount Fuji. Look how beautiful it is outside. So far not beautiful, but it is beautiful. So we're getting ready to go to the Mount Fuji Hotel. We're having a blast. These are our last 2 serious days here in Japan. And we'll get back to Las Vegas to edit some of this stuff. I was gonna say something, but then it got pretty all of a sudden. Look at that river and everything.
Yeah,
It always blows my mind that people live in those kind of places. Like, where do you shop? Is everything Amazon?
literally the Amazon.
The Amazon.
The Amazon.
Yeah. Alright guys, we're heading toward a town called Yamanakako, which means lake in the middle of the mountains. Last time I was here, I didn't actually see Mount Fuji because of the clouds. And one of my goals was to get a really good look on Mount Fuji. Now Mike, they did say we need to do it today because the weather's going to be bad tomorrow apparently.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Okay.
But these clouds aren't inspiring me at all. Although that mountain right there almost looks like it could be, like, if you told me that was Mount Fuji, I'd almost believe you.
It's like a hill.
No, the one behind it.
Oh, that one, probably.
I'm telling you, man, that's got to be Mount Fuji behind the clouds.
You think so?
No, over there,
Yeah, I don't know. I feel like it'd be bigger than this.
That's pretty big, dude. Think about it, we're only like 20 kilometers out. We should be able to see it.
Yeah.
But I don't think that's it. I mean, it's kind of weird. Dude, can I tell you something? That's literally Mount Fuji. There's just no way that's not Mount Fuji. Yeah.
Is that the same one?
That's literally it. That's got to be it.
That looks really cool.
It's just like completely covered by clouds again. That is so huge, dude. It's like right up in your face.
It almost looks like a volcano.
It is a volcano.
Oh, well, there you go.
Well, there you go.
Well, there you go.
And there it is.
Where's the reality shit?
It's really shit. It's really shit. Reality shit. Reality shit. Reality shit. Shit. I thought he was gonna keep going. Traveling with killers.
Little Rico on a pee.
Swan boats and actual swans. Yeah, might as well, right? Look at how those swans are almost as big as the boats. I think this is Yamanakako.
Really?
I'm not sure though. Watch out. Parkour!
That was epic, man.
Pretty ominous. Can you slow motion that shit down for me?
Maybe it'll
Oh, look,
be
this guy. Dude, those people are riding a bird. They're riding on a swan, and he's not even biting them.
Can we walk on this?
Yeah. It's almost like the swans are part of the whole swan boat business. Like they're running it.
They're the managers?
They're totally managing it. If we give this guy 300 yen, he'll get you in a boat right now. What can I do to get you in a boat, sir, right now? Oh my God, he's so cute. Sir, we're just gonna check for damage on the boat before we let you take it out. Sir, there's a little bit of scratches on the back, but we're gonna mark that down on the paper here before you take it out. You don't have to worry about that, sir. You've got full coverage. These guys are doing a bang-up job with the boat service. They're like little tugboats. They're gonna push it out in the harbor. So, you know, it's no wake zone, so. 30 minutes, 2,000 yen.
Is that what
I know. I don't know, man. That seems crazy. Let's just say we did. Let's just say we did. モーターのやつもっとあります？
あるよ。
あ、じゃあ。
5台。
いや1台です。
何台？
何台な。
何台？5台借りるかな。何人
？2人。
いいですよ。
はい。じゃあ。
エンジンのでしょ？
エンジンの方。はい。3,500円ですよね。
そう。
お、大丈夫。はい。3,500円。
はいはい。
これどこまで行けるんですか？15分で。
だから15分で行っていいよ。15分で行って15分でどこまで行って？
どこまで行ける？あ、そうだ。15分まで行って、
15分って書いて
帰ってくればいいよね。
自分でこうやってサイズって分かんないから。だ
だ
から自分で出発すると時間計って。
わかりました。
それで U ターンして。
あ、これ。はい。
それはね、あんまりオーバーするとガス欠になっちまうから。
ああ、なるほどね。
そうだよ。ガソリンなくなっちゃったよ。
お湯しかないね。
はい、これ。あ、時間かかるから。はい、これ。
はい。
白鳥のやつ。
Yeah, food for the 白鳥。
Nice.
白鳥 which means white bird, swan. 黒鳥もいますか？黒鳥。
あ、黒鳥。
います？
カモちゃんね。
どこ行けばいいんですか？
そちら行けばいます。
こっち。
チケットを見せて。
We got the one with the motor. We're not doing no cheapy swan
really?
boat, dude. So like the driving part's in the very middle, so it's gonna be a little bit awkward.
That is a little awkward.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, look at the fish.
Oh, dude.
I feel like they're trained to eat.
They're definitely
Like,
they're ambassadors for the boat business. The swan and them are in cahoots with each other. Oh my God, Cup came. Look at this guy.
oh, dude.
That's Cup. Hey, Cup.
はい。
はい。日本語大丈夫です。大丈夫です。はい。はい。はい。
じゃあ説明します。
はい。
レバーがありますけど、上に上げるほど速くなります。
はい。
ただバックとブレーキはできないので。
あ、バックはできないんだね。
あ、できないです。
全身だけですね。
はい。で、
はい
あとここより浅いところ行っちゃうとついちゃうので、行かないようにお願いします。時間は4時10分、16時10分まで。
16時10分まで。
はい。
はい。ありがとうございました。
じゃあ、テーマをしてください。
はい。じゃあ行きます。
This,
Just like here, just like
yeah. Actually, it's probably important, yeah.
はい。ごゆっくりどうぞ。
はい、ありがとう。
Oh, dude, this guy's dead.
Oh no! Hit and swim! Hit and swim! Dude, we were going so fast.
How faster it goes?
Oh, dude! Maxing out the boat!
Totally getting flat. I feel like that big one is just showing off.
Yeah, like that guy ate way too much, man. Woohoo! Woohoo! Woo! Oh my God, we're jamming! Oh shit! Oh shit! Oh shit! I'm feeling out right now, man. You can't even tell. Think you're number one? You guys think he's number one. Look at these peasants paddling the boat. These peasants. Modern technology, people. Oh, getting a little bit rough out here. Whoa. We're in the middle of a lake. Yamanaka-ko. I think this is Yamanaka-ko. I should have asked him. Oh my God, Mount Fuji.
Wait.
Holy Mount Fuji, like right there, dude. Wow. It has no snow on it, but it's still Mount Fuji. So Mike.
Yes.
A year and a half ago, where were you? Wisconsin?
Wisconsin.
And now you're on a lake looking over Mount Fuji. Right there, look at that, Mount Fuji. So we've only been out for 4 minutes. I'm already ready to go back.
Yeah, I kind of have that feeling.
It's like, it was good enough,
Yeah,
man. Let's go over there. Oh, jet skis. Uh-oh, it's chicks.
Oh, really?
Dude, their faces are so white
Wait.
with like, oh shit, they're fucking, dude, oh my God.
Yeah.
Oh my God, really?
We're gonna capsize.
Probably, that's why we got these on.
Yeah.
Pedal to metal. Ah! Oh shit! That's so crazy, man. That's Mount Fuji. Like, think about it. How many people want to see Mount Fuji and never will in their entire life, ever?
Why won't they?
Because they're not going to come here. They're just not going to. One of these days, I'm going to go to Japan. One of these days. Well, it's on my bucket list, and then they'll never come. It's right there. It's right there for you to see. And you're never going to be here. Because you're, oh, I want to wait till I get better in Japanese. No, just go. Go. You can do it. It's right there. Mount Fuji. $1,000 plane ticket. Get a rail pass for a couple $100. $2,000, $3,000. You can save that up in about a year max. Is that wrong, Mike? I don't know.
$1,000? I guess it's supposed to
A couple $1,000,
yeah.
a couple $1,000, you know? There are people that live in Korea, and can take a ferry over to Japan, hop, skip up to Mount Fuji. It's right there. And you can be on a duck boat. You know what? I feel like I did a little bit of shaming earlier. I probably shouldn't have shamed you all. It's not easy to come to Japan, I get it. Some of you have low-paying jobs or medical issues or whatever. if you can come try. It's worth it. It's beautiful. Japan is extremely safe. The water is clean to drink. The toilets are the cleanest toilets you're ever going to see on the planet. People are kind. Come to Japan if you can. Right, Mike? You have a fun time, Mike? Yeah. And the people are extremely accommodating. You know, very kind. That's why when people like, and I know this is an old reference, but when Logan Paul does the shit that he did, it's really embarrassing. Because Japanese people are extremely kind. And they would never do that sort of thing in America, ever. So have respect, a little bit more than I do here. Sometimes I don't worry about where I leave my trash. Where the hell do we return this thing? I don't even know. Is that it?
Where did it come from?
Dude, oh shit, we are
gotta
lost.
talk to the managers, I think. Where'd they go?
Seriously, wait, where? No, I ain't even lying. Like, where?
Oh shit, dude. Oh my god. What?
What happened?
The manager came.
Excuse me, can you tell us how to get back to the main dock?
Wait, don't you have to...
Oh, we have food!
Shit. Dude,
Food, you want some of this?
Dude, oh my god.
Let me go some of this? Okay, I got it, No, I got it, buddy. Dude. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Oh shit, okay. I almost handed it to him direct, but I forgot we had some of this. Want some more, buddy? Wait, maybe if I do it, let's see what happens.
Don't forget to ask him how he's back though.
No, he told me, he pointed me that direction.
Which direction?
Over there to the, he pointed me over there.
Yeah,
Hey,
okay.
man, sir, you might have been an ugly duckling when you were a baby, but you're a beautiful human being right now.
He is a beautiful human
I love
being.
you. Wait, why are we circling like this?
I don't know. It's the curse.
Hey. Don't get near the engine, it's dangerous. Oh, he's eating the shit out of that stuff. Sir. I think we're the problem. We're moving forward too fast. Oh my god. The
I feel like we just went full. I mean, I literally, it's like the exact same situation.
Oh my god, it's deja vu.
It's coming up again.
Okay, this time I'm gonna hand him the bag. Please don't hurt me. You are so cute. You're over here. Okay, let's save some.
Oh yeah.
Let's get out of here.
Let's try to get done.
Okay, bye, buddy. His feet are so big.
Are they?
Oh my god. All right. Yeah, you ready to get back?
Yeah, let's do it.
That's pretty good.
Yep.
Oh god, watch out for these people. They're dangerous.
Yeah, hello.
Hey, I'm American. Be careful, okay? That swan was really dangerous.
はい、お疲れ様でした。
はい、追突。
はい、足元気をつけてください。
Ouch. Totally cool way to get out of the boat.
ありがとうございました。
これいらないですね。
はい。はい。
Okay, all right, let's get these guys some food.
Well, the orange one is still here too.
Oh yeah, he's probably big because people feed that guy. Oh shit, I missed him.
Yeah, good lower mid.
Orengi. I decided to name him Orengi. You think he's made fun of in school because he's orange?
In the school.
In the
fish,
school.
Right?
In the school.
Yeah, probably.
Where is he?
I don't
They drowned him out.
Oh no. Oh, he's right here. He's a survivor.
You ready for the rest?
I think so.
Oh shit! You see that guy? He dove up and over everybody.
This is aggressive, man.
I feel like this is a dangerous move here, but I'm gonna touch one.
He's gonna bite your finger off.
I touched him. Third one. Yes! That's the fourth one. That's Engi Waru Ikara. I gotta do more than 4. I got him. 6, 7. 7's good luck. 8. Oh, 8's Japanese good luck. So we're good. Now I just gotta wash my hand. I touched 8 carp.
You did.
Mike, can you get this joke? I touched love 8 times.
Nope. Koi.
Koi.
Koi, I got it.
Koi.
But do you think you'll wash the luck off your hands though then? Or the love off your hands?
No, the love's in my heart, Mike.
Whoa. wow.
すいません、手洗うとこってありますか？向こう側ソフトクリームのとこ怒らない？向こう行ったらソフトクリーム買わなきゃいけないか。
ね、
買えばいいか。
買えばいい。そのさっきの件で割引があるから。
何がある？
割引。
ああ、先の券取られちゃったよ、あの人に。
いや、あげるよ。
ありがとうございます。ソフトクリームの割引ですか？
ソフトクリーム。だから向こうに水道があるからさ、言って。
はい、わかりました。ありがとうございました。
手洗わしてくださいって。はい、
おお、そうか、これ。忘れちゃあかんね。すごいファッションなのに、これが。
今船乗ってきたから、ちょっと手洗わしてって。
はい、ありがとうございました。
ありがとう。
はい。Alright, so I guess we're getting ice cream because we can wash our hands there and we have a discount coupon.
Dude, this sounds wonderful.
Right? Actually, we need to make an aggressive crossing here. We're never going to get
I'll
across.
follow you whenever.
Follow me. I got this. Domo, I'm just a foreigner here.
Is it right here?
I don't know. これで割引になるって言ったんですけど、本当です。はい。
月50円割引されます。
一つだけ50円。はい。
いや、全部50円。
全部。ほんで、手洗いってあります？
はい、そこで。
OK。で、what do you want? What do you want?
Like a twist, like a vanilla chocolate twist.
バニラチョコのミックス2つお願いします。
はい、800円になります。
はい。
はい、すみません、お待たせしました。はい。Is that mine?
No, oh, it could be. Well, no, I touched it, so. I like that they gave us a spoon. はい。
はい。ありがとうございました。Why don't you get a spoon too?
I just said that.
Whatever.
Okay, our car is WA 5200. WA, sugoi.
Back on the road, huh?
Back on the road again. Let's do it. Okay, Mary had a little lamb. Oh, this is it. Hotel Mount Fuji. International travel.
That's right. This threats, Bill.
Yo, 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 punch on fire. Featuring Gunman Mash. Shakuriku, we've landed. That's the sound of the car landing. Wow, that's a super sexy Kaoru ga nokotte imasu voice. Did you hear it?
Oh yeah.
Kaoru ga nokotte imasu. This is an amazing hotel.
Oh my god.
Wow.
でこちら夜12時までですね。朝は両方とも6時からです。で温泉の方が別の棟にありますので、一度このエレベーターで5階に上がっていただいて、左に進んでいただくと別のエレベーターありますので、乗り換えていただいて2階が近いかな。
2階の方で離れの場、離れの湯か。ごめんなさい。ああ、良さそうここ。
はい、こちらです。
わーわーわーわーわー、すげえ。これはすごい。こ
ちらルームですね。
ありがとうございます。
はい。でカーテンが電動になっていますので、こちらのリモコンお使いください。
これでオープンしたら？はい。
で富士山が。
これ外に出れるんですか？
はい、外出られます。
わあ、we can go outside。わあ。
こちら冷蔵庫ですね。浴衣とスリッパがすみません。浴衣です。温
泉行くときはこれで行けるんですね。
はい、これで行ってください。はい。浴衣です。
それは浴衣ですね。
はい。
これは？
こっちがお風呂になってますので、温泉に行く際はこちらにですね、こちらの中ですね。バスタオルがついていますので、ここから持っていって
いくんですね。
お願いします。
わかりました。
はい。何かわからないことございますか？
Any questions, Mike?
I don't think so.
No. 大丈夫です。
大丈夫ですか？
ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。
はい。Dude, first of all, we have to go outside because we can even see the dude. This is the best last hotel we could have been in. Oh shit. Almost fell out the window. Look at this. Look at this Mount Fuji, first of all, and Lake Yamanakako right here, man. Holy moly. Wow. Look at that, Mount Fuji. Dude, I am pretty happy. How happy are you, Mike?
I mean, I'm pretty excited.
Pretty stoked, right?
Crazy,
look how big the room is, man. We can watch a movie here.
Oh my
tonight.
god, dude. Holy.
Yeah, this is scary, right? This little danza. This difference in height. Danza. Do we really want to go anywhere? We're just hanging in the room all day. Oh shit! Here, don't trip, dude.
Try not to.
Look, we can make hot water for coffee and whatnot.
Sweet.
We can have big discussion about business plans right here.
Mm-hmm. For sure.
Let's go ahead and plug the good old Netflix into here. Hotel Mount Fuji. Doesn't get any better than this. Honestly. We're balling in the YouTube money.